Today we're going to talk about how to find our scale factors going from one figure to a similar figure. So here we can see that DEFG is similar to PQRS. So to find the scale factor, what we can do is we can set up some extended proportions, or really just one proportion would do it, to find out what the scale factor is, what that K value is that I multiply to get the similar figure lengths. So what you want to do is you want to find any side, doesn't matter. I'm going to pick DE. And notice in the name, D and E are the first two letters, so PQ would be the corresponding side. And I would take the image, or that second figure, over the pre-image. So 3/9 would get me, if I simplified, 1/3. So my scale factor from DEFG to PQRS would be 1/3, or 1:3. So if you check this out, if I multiplied any side length here by 1/3, I would get the corresponding side length. So 9 times 1/3 is 3, or 6 times 1/3 is 2, or 12 times 1/3 is 4. So really what's going on here is I'm just dividing by 3 to get the image. Alright, and I've also got a question here saying, what is GF corresponding to, or what is GF similar? Where is GF? GF is here. GF, G, and F is the last letter in the name, and then that letter before it. So S is the last letter in the other figure, and then R. So GF is similar to SR. And then number 4, we'll write a similarity statement and then find the scale factor. So what you can do is you can really name it whatever you want, any order, and then just make sure that your corresponding parts are in the same exact spot. So what corresponds with A is my first letter. So if A is the first letter, the corresponding part L had better be in the first spot in the other name. So A goes with L, B goes with M, and C goes with N. So that's how I would write my similarity statement. I'll give you a minute here to find your scale factor, and then write your similarity statement and find the scale factor in number 5. So I would pause the video and then finish those and then unpause to check your work. So this would be our scale factor. I'm going to go with 8/6. So K is 8/6, or 4/3, or you could even do 1 1/3. So this scale factor is 4/3. And then over here we've got JKLM is similar to NPQR. And the scale factor, I'm going to pick JK and NP, the first two letters. 12/6, scale factor is 2. So to go from JKLM rather, to NPQR, I would have to multiply everything by 2. And that makes sense. Everything's getting twice as big. So that's how you would find your scale factor and write a similarity statement given two similar figures.